It is later in the day, and I do plan to fly my drone. It's the first day of after daylight savings time, so 5:30 is an hour later than 5:30 was yesterday. Doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel as windy as it looks through my window. So I have to get on the sidewalk because I don't want to be on 5400 South with without a bike lane, even though the traffic seems light. But the canal road's right here, so I go through this little hole and I take this over to 6200 South. All right, right in the wheelie. Got that on camera. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's people visiting people on Sunday, so the bike lane's full of cars. And here we are to the park, the Jordan River Parkway. Good. Oh, nobody's at my bench. Good. Excellent. I don't see a beaver floating in the pond, but I have. I could be a rat. I really like to think that there's a beaver that floats in my pond. Yeah. That's good. FPV mode. Screen recording on. Video recording. Rotor started, and we're off.
Home point updated.
I'm going to go over the pond slowly. I wonder how long we can follow the river for. (2,400 feet away, 230 feet in the air, full bars, get into the freeway. (3,000 feet). I'm going to turn now. Wonder if I can make it to the pond. Not sure we're over the wires, but I think we are. Now we've lost a bar of HD signal. We lost another bar. We're 4,200 feet away, and I have full signal. The mountains look spectacular, as does this pond. I am not going over the freeway. Not today. If I crash my drone here, I could easily get on my bike and go to wherever it is, pick it up. We're pushing it. We're going to push it 5,000 feet. 5,000 feet, full bars. Full bars. We'll turn around. We lose some signal in turning around. I knew we would. Now we're back to full bars again. Now we'll go down a little bit. We'll go lower, we'll have a chance of losing signal. So probably what we'll need to do is climb above the wires anyway. Get our signal back. And they're definitely over the top of the wires. Okay, let's go down and see how bad we lose the signal. We get down by the river. Now we're losing it. We're losing it. That's not too bad. Not too high. 114 feet. We'll just follow the river again. Getting closer we get over the street, we'll try to go down by the river. Had a little bit of a transmission jitter, but no loss of wires. And we're seeing the reflection of the sun off the propellers. Get down into the closer to the water to where the trees are going to block that sunlight. Alright, that is some interesting footage. Optical avoidance is going to be off. That's an interesting thing. Just really wonderful to be found. A little bit of glitch. Now just give me a message for the transmission signal, but I still have full bars. Fascinating. Straight up that way. So I kind of set the boundaries of 5400 south and the freeway.